If your Chevy Traverse 3.6-liter won't fire up, don't call the tow truck just yet. We'll find the cause in 2 minutes. Statistically, nearly half of all no-start conditions on this platform are simply due to a dead or dying 12-volt battery. Let's walk through the diagnostic sequence to isolate the problem before you spend money on parts. Start with the basics by checking battery voltage, listening for starter clicks, and confirming the fuel pump is priming. The Traverse is known for fuel pump driver module failures, which can cut power to the pump without warning. If the electronics turn on but the engine won't crank, the starter motor or the neutral safety switch are your main suspects. Simple electrical issues are easy DIY fixes, but mechanical starter failures on the 3.6 can be difficult to access. Expect to pay around $180 for a battery, while a professional fuel pump replacement can exceed $700. Use an OBD2 scanner to look for hidden codes that might indicate an immobilizer or computer communication error. Keep a multimeter and a basic code reader in your kit to handle most of these troubleshooting steps yourself. Remember to stay safe by securing the vehicle and disconnecting power before working near the engine's electrical components. With these steps, you'll have your Traverse back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching.